when I'll be explaining the first time the pronunciation to my Sanskrit students, I'll be talking
like this.
Except for swara. When it comes to retroflex, my voice will be just so that you understand I'm going to be talking in terms of retroflexion of my speech.
Sorry, you just have to send them to Tamil Nadu.
Yeah. A lot of retroflexes.
So, sakarasya shakaraha. Sakarasya shakaraha not to shakaraha. A Bengali will get lost.
Yes.
Nepali.
Yes. No, Bengali will get
For
lost.
Nepal is the same.
Bengali will use sha for all, sir.
Same in Nepal.
Okay, it's a lot of fun to teach Sanskrit if you can. And I had.
So that sloka is there, na? Yadiva bahunadi vishe pataputra vyakaranam. Sakrit chakrit.
Yeah.
Sakalam shakalam. Sakrit chakrit. So the entire meaning will go.
It's great.
For a task.
We have to do that. In here,
Sakalam, shakalam, exact opposite.
see, in here, because of your shraddha to what you are doing and because of your shraddha to your guru, because I am guru, I am the teacher, so you will not open your mouth, say anything, but over there, the kids, hey professor, why are you doing this? That's what they do.
Aren't we getting there as well?
Yeah, exactly.
Aren't we getting there as well?
No, India is moving there, right?
So, what? No, I'm saying this all because what we say in Hindi, nache gaye ture taan. Okay? You have to dance for those kids.
Yes.
So that at the beginning of semester, you have 20, you don't end up 2 by the end of the semester. So they drop out. The dropout rate in the Sanskrit classes is so much. When I started teaching first year Sanskrit, there were 2 left in the 4th year.
No.
And when I left the university...
That's why he's not shocked. 25 people were supposed to
I was
attend.
the only one who left in who stayed in my batch as I started.
When I was...
Is it? No, here.
No, in my, as I started in
University, is it?
20 people we started, I was the only one.
I left the University of Rochester teaching Sanskrit with, since I left at the end of the first semester, because in December, January, the next semester began of the first year. So I had 18 students in my first year out of 20.
Okay, only 2 left. That's great.
Only 2 left. And then I had stopped offering 4th year. Because I had to handle 1st year, 2nd year, 3rd year alone. I can't do that. Justice to, 4th year. Of those students, they were dying to take. So if I would have offered 4th year Sanskrit, there would be 7, 8 students in the 4th year. That was the record. And so, especially in the first year, I had to dance around those students so that I could keep them, to show it to the dean and to the administration that Sanskrit is a viable offering, it should be offered.
Oh gosh, your job was tough.
Yeah, that's basically. Hindi has something like, begins with 810, 810, 810, ends up with 23, 23, 23. Only 2nd year Hindi. 3rd year Hindi is not offered.
Okay, now in the US I think Hindi is very popular because, I don't know, like
You
Chinese
want
is
to understand the
popular.
cinemas better.
Yeah.
You want to understand the movies better.
I mean, you know,
Yes,
this,
yes, and most of the
in the Philippines,
Well,
even
that is the requirement of the kind of age that we are living in also, because the kind of technology that has come in, attention span has become so less.
very
The
small.
millennial generation needs to be engaged in
different way.
actually engaged rather than there used to be the whole aspect of a monologue which has happened before. Now the involvement, the more the involvement, the more the engagement
That's
that will happen, because of which it's all through play. And it's when we play a game, when we think of a story that we're able to learn
No,
and
no,
imbibe
my
much
daughter
better.
keeps telling me, Dad, why can't you teach maths as a game?
Yeah.
I will learn.
Yeah,
You can't
the-
beyond games, I told her. I mean,
the,
school, yes, I agree.
The girl who teaches Hindi, she's from Maharashtra. She teaches Hindi and she only teaches Hindi with film songs and films. I can teach Hindi with films. But then, anyway, the treatment of the accent. He begins with Pruta, he comes to Antodat, he goes to Artyudat, then he goes to Swarita, etc. And all you have to understand that it's not just one accent which is being assigned. It's the after effect of the assignment of various units, the Prakriti, and here he is dealing with mostly the Prakriti. Adiranguli, etc. Adidatta. From Antodatta, he moves on to Adidatta. I don't think I have much accent, and there is not much that you need explanation. So Adidatta, Antodatta, and the kids, they sleep. Then you got Samasaswara. And that's where you reach the Adhyaya 2, and then you get Bahuvrihi. Exceptions to Samasa action. This is just exception. Section of accent as it was of the initial pada. Purva pada prakriti swara. That brings us to the famous question.
Indrashatru. There is a beautiful thing. Why swaras are important.
Yeah.
You change the swara, the whole thing, samasa changes.
Yeah.
So therefore, Indra did then Vritra did a homa.
Yeah.
Which is one to get the blessing.
Tvashta did the
Huh?
home. Tvashta did.
Tvashta did the homa. I mean, for Vritra, of course. Tvashta did the homa for Vritra only. No? But there he changed the swara. So instead of his Vritra being victorious over Indra, Indra became the destroyer of Vritra.
Yeah.
That Indra Shatru, the word is same. Just swara changes, the meaning changes.
Indra yasya shatru, Indra shatru.
Paurihi to Tatpurusha.
So anyway, that's there is a lot of mud fight between Bahuvrihi and Tatpurusha. In between there is Karmadhara. Okay? Also a lot of wordplay. Dondo, Divura, Pija, Ammat, And the famous one is, the famous one is when Rama was, this was in Ramayana, in the Hindi Ramayana serial. So Rama goes to Lanka and then he does the puja, and at the end of the puja he looks up into the sky and he sees Shiva, and the gods, they were looking at him, and so he does the pranam to Shiva, Shiva does the pranam, and at least there is a difference between who does the pranama to whom, a very clear difference. First of all, you shouldn't do pranama to anyone if you are not abhimukha, or he is not in front of you.
Right, exactly.
Unless you have his attention, don't do namaste.
Correct.
And of course, you don't go first if there are certain requirements, okay? But I'll just give you one requirement, that you must see who you are offering your namaste to. If he's not attentive to you, forget about him, okay? So then Rama does that, and he says, Rameshwara he addresses, and Shiva says Rameshwara to him. So how could they both be Rameshwara? So the compound Rameshwara is interpreted as a Tatpurusha as well as a Bahuvrihi. Rama yasya Ishwara tam.
One day.
So Ramasya Ishwara Rameshwara, Rama yasya Ishwara tamaham Vande. So there is two exceptions to some of the actions, and
Sir, and then you said here we come to the famous question of
Prakriti Bhava. What is Prakriti Bhava?
Non-formation of Sandhi. And considered as Sandhi has been formed.
So, and that
You put it together, but nothing happens, but still Sandhi is there.
No, I remember it in the context of the army, where the superior officer is the commanding officer is saying, "Attention!" Okay? So everyone is all attention. Then he says, "As you were." So this Prakriti Bhava is as you were,
Correct.
as it was.
Correct.
So that's what I did. Bahuvriho Prakritya Purvapadam.
It retains it.
So Prakritya is as it was. Okay, that helped me a lot to understand this section and the Prakriti Bhava. No one explained to me that Purvapada Prakriti Swaratvam Bahuvriho Prakritya Purvapadam, then you read with the exception and the entire second part is gone. So 6 to 1. Tat Purushe Tulyartha Titiya Saptam Upamana Dvitiya Tritaya. What is Upamana here? I don't understand. I do understand the word Upamana. But what is the reference to Upamana over here?
Tulyartha Tritiya Tamyupamana.
Yeah. This is referring mostly to the action of where certain phrases give you the meanings of तत्पुरुषे तुल्यार्थ वर्णो वर्णेष्वनेते है क्या दिला बनायो प्रमाणे दायाद्यम दायादे. What is the dayada?
Cousin, this
Dayada. What is
One who
dayada?
shares your inheritance.
What?
one who shares your
inheritance.
correct.
Daya.
Daya bhaga. Yes, yes, yes.
That who shares your
Yes, yes.
inheritance. Pratibandhi chira krichrayo. What is pratibandhi? I am intentionally asking you these questions because these terms are very loaded.
Right.
And English is such a language which cannot capture everything.
Right.
There are going to be problems. There are going to be moments when you have to sweat.
It will have to become a big sentence sometimes.
It's a different story, like the famous actor Amitabh Bachchan says, but English is a very
Funny
funny
language.
language. But English is not a
I
very
talk English,
funny
I talk
language.
English.
English is a deadly language.
But one means a restriction.
What?
Does it mean restriction?
Every language has.
नहीं
Hindi
प्रतिबंधी
you undertook. Translation, he says. Pratibandhi
Pratibandhi is someone who is under some
duress. Constraint.
Who is under the condition of owing something to someone.
Bonded.
Some kind of bonded, yes.
Indebted.
Indebted. Okay.
Pade apadeshe nivate vata trane. What is nivata? Some kind of a blocking. That is what can be used in the sense. That is what can be used in the sense of vata trana.
Yagatrana, yes.
So, a windbreaker.
Exactly. Deadly.
That's what living in the United States can do. The wind in Hawaii.
Close of session.
No, we can ask a question.
Yeah, why don't you ask questions? Because I have already explained to you the notion of Siddhartha. That's what after this one you will get the Abhiya Siddhartha.
So I've got quite a bit of things which I had to go home and उसे पचाना चाहिए सर बहुत कुछ
Yeah, I think.
बहुत पचाने में बहुत समय लगेगा
I mean, I don't. That's why I was saying.
इसलिए आपने अच्छा किया कि पचती शब्द पहले ले लिया जाओ जाके पचाओ
No, you have to.
Sanskrit pach, not the Hindi pach.
अच्छा उल्टा no here also
No, you know what you have to do. You have to do.
कर
Digest.
digest Hindi it is digest Sanskrit it is cook
In the introduction of this planned book, I will have the content and the grammar associated to it side by side, put separately with each adhyaya. So adhyaya 1, what I need to, as if I was talking to you in the class, so I will just put 1, 2, 3, 4. Like if we have 1 foot rule, I will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't go and write an essay over there, okay? Then at each adhikara, I'll give you, a pointer, what you are going to head it to finding.
this I told you
So that will be interesting
Call
because,
them. Yeah.
because when you hit Adhyaya 7 and 8, or Adhyaya 7, I will have notes on everything, on the Abhiya and the interaction between Abhiya and Siddha and Siddhartha of this kind, all these. So once you have that, when you come to Adhyaya 6 and 7, you would have already read that introduction, and then later on you can go and read it again, and that way it can, what Americans say, jive with that.
अच्छा
All
No, I have a general question for the. So there are a lot of rules dealing with the accents, but why has the tradition not been preserved in the textual?
no it is what they say is with accents part I don't know this I have also asked my teacher why is he talking so much about accents a lot of meaning is put in accents also
Yeah, this
today the swaras today as on date the swaras are only available in the Vedas earlier much earlier during Panini's time and around that there used to be accent if you see Chinese language let's say Chinese has got a lot of levels of
No, so my question
Even
is,
Tibetan.
we've preserved all
Tibetan also.
we've preserved all the other rules that have been implemented in the literature.
Yeah.
Why was the accent? Was it because it was? I mean, when did it reach a point of losing popularity? Or
not popularity but
the thing is,
people start not
one general observation that I can make about this is that we are far removed from the time when Sanskrit was spoken.
language yes exactly that's
That's
what
what-
I am
That is why whoever is speaking Sanskrit, they are speaking Sanskrit. For example, I may be speaking a Hindi Sanskrit. When I was teaching Hindi, I had problems of pronunciation because I will never say Ram.
Rama.
it's a
No. Hindi, you
Yeah,
have
Hindi
the
comes
last.
the last
uniformly.
Yes.
Hindi
Uniformly,
uniformly
the last-
drops the
They go
final
Yog,
short
Final
A.
Ayurved.
short
They go
A.
Ayurved, not Ayurveda.
Ayurveda.
And it doesn't have Visarga.
Visarga is gone. Forget about Visarga.
It's yoga.
Yeah.
Yoga.
Because of the short A, West ends up saying yoga.
Yoga.
the other
That's
way.
also wrong.
Okay? Because they can't pronounce at the end the short A. So yoga.
That's also
Okay.
wrong.
Hindi wala, he's going to say
Yo.
yoga.
Huh.
That's also not wrong.
Ram.
Kyun? So why do they
Because-
cut off the?
They just, it is the nature of the language.
That is the prakriti of that language.
Oh, yeah,
That's
all the
all. Whereas-
Jewish
whereas you go to-
vernaculars, they
No
all
short A
do
at
that.
the end of the word.
Sir, if you come to say Kannada, Rama is Rama.
Yeah.
So therefore they pronounce as Rama.
If you go to Bengal, it becomes Mo.
Ramo.
Ramo.
Is there any vernacular that keeps Nepali? Does that also do the same as Hindi?
Which one?
That's
Nepali, I do not
Nepali.
know. And,
They also cut. So everyone.
No, but here he says Kannada keeps.
and Kannada, South
Kannada
Kannada
has
is
bigger
no.
problems.
You should see what
Kannada
is-
has bigger
what is
problems.
happening.
What they take the Rasva
And
and
make
make
it
it
long also.
So they say Rama,
Rama.
but they write it Rama.
Rama, yes.
They say Lata, but write it Lata.
That is also wrong. Kannada also, all languages have some mistake. or
It is
the
not a
other.
mistake. It is the prakriti of that language. For
No,
instance, when you write Lakshmi
it's
in Tamil,
the
you write
speech
Shilakshmi.
habit.
It is not because they can't say
It's the
Lakshmi, because it is not a Tamil
vernacular
word.
Not a word, yeah.
that overpowers.
No, that is not only that.
pronunciation.
Lakshmi is actually Dirgha, E. Whereas if you write, if it is written in any South Indian language, it will be written as a short E.
So
No,
why
Lakshmi
why
or Lakshmi you
Sharma-
write, you can write in
Why
modern
Sharma
Tamil.
is spelled Sarma?
Yeah.
Sir, that is because English really doesn't have those separate
This is
sounds.
big problem anyway.
So we have to use one of them.
Okay.
But there is something about
How-
Sanskrit. It is the only
Sometimes I
ancient
guess.
language that we know exactly how it was pronounced. With Greek, for example, the Christian Bible is written in Greek. There's no one who knows how to
How would
pronounce
you
that
say?
Greek.
How would you
Not one
say
person.
Rigveda?
Yeah.
Rigved.
Because the
Rigved.
phonological rules.
Rigveda.
Sir, this is because very clearly, I mean, the Shiksha Shastra will tell you very clearly how the
I have not heard a person who can clearly, while he is going on speaking Sanskrit,
No.
can-
Not speaking, if you know the right
For that
pronunciation.
matter, are you satisfied with the pronunciation of the Talavya and Murdhanyasha in North India?
I'm not, because you get all kinds of different pronunciations.
No, that that is why the sthana has been indicated, so that any day you want, you can go back to it and correct
So,
yourself.
but is the idea about correcting or that each region will suit it? So
Yeah,
some
you-
people will say Shesha, with the first Sha being a Talavya,
Yeah.
second Sha being a Murdhanya.
Correct.
Many people often won't, but when they write it correctly. So
See, in
when
my-
speaking about looking at the Shiksha, do we learn to speak and pronounce from the Shiksha or do we learn it from Vyavahara?
No, it is very much stress, sir. When my Veda teacher taught us,
See,
starting,
I would say
they tell
in
us
many
very
ways-
clearly how you should.
In many ways, my Sanskrit is Bhojpuri Sanskrit.
That influence will be there, sir. That
I heard it from my father. That must have been the same thing with my grandfather. He spoke just two languages in his life, Bhojpuri and Sanskrit. That's it. No Hindi, nothing.
Good.
I want to thank everyone for coming. It's really been beyond wonderful. And thank you, Dr. Sharma, for your presence and laughter. And we have a small token, a memory that you take back to Hawaii from Oregon. And gift. And thank you for coming, and please come again.
Thank you. So you can write to me
Right.
about your experiences, and if we had another one, how we should, modify it for our benefit.
Right, sir.
But I think main problem is too short.
No, yet. Time, sir. Had we had that 14 days time, I think we would have done a very good job. There is no doubt about it. It is too, we have, like something like Rasna concentrate we have got now. You have to add tons of water and sugar now. Go home and do that. But if had it been some 14, 15 days, maybe